Ford just shook up the entire truck world because the 2026 Ford F-150 might be getting the most powerful EcoBoost engine Ford has ever built. And the rumors are honestly insane. We're talking about a new EcoBoost setup that could push close to 800 horsepower. Yes, 800 in an F-150. Let that sink in for a second. This isn't some tiny upgrade. This isn't a new badge or a slight tune. This is Ford basically saying, we're not done dominating the truck game. And if you've been watching what's happening in the pickup world lately, this makes perfect sense. Ram is moving away from the HEMI. GM is putting more focus on electrification. Electric trucks like the Cybertruck and Rivian are grabbing headlines. But Ford? Ford looks like they're doing something totally different. They're taking gasoline performance and pushing it to a level nobody expected. So here's the real question. Is this the ultimate evolution of the internal combustion truck? Or is Ford building one last monster before the industry goes fully electric? Because the F-150 isn't just another pickup, it's the truck. For decades, the F-150 has been the best-selling truck in America. And when Ford makes a big move, the entire industry pays attention. And the timing here matters. Truck buyers today want everything. They want towing power. They want comfort. They want daily drivability. They want modern tech. And now they want performance that used to be reserved for muscle cars. That's exactly where this new EcoBoost comes in. If Ford really delivers an 800 horsepower turbocharged engine with massive torque, it would instantly put the 2026 F-150 at the top of the gas-powered truck world. Because compared to the current EcoBoost options, this would be a massive jump. And compared to rivals, most of them aren't even close. So what is Ford doing under the hood? How are they getting EcoBoost to this level? And what does this mean for towing, hauling, and real-world truck buyers? Don't worry, we're breaking it all down. But before we go deeper, I want to know something. If Ford drops an 800 horsepower EcoBoost F-150, would you want it? Or is this just too much power for a half-ton truck? Drop your take in the comments. So how does Ford even pull off something like this? Because let's be honest, 800 horsepower in an F-150 sounds like something that shouldn't exist. For years, EcoBoost has been known for delivering strong power with better efficiency than a big V8. But this is EcoBoost on a completely different planet. And the reason Ford can do it comes down to one thing. Modern turbo engineering. This new 2026 EcoBoost is expected to be built around an advanced twin-turbo setup. That means two turbochargers working together to deliver boost across the entire RPM range. So instead of waiting for power to build, you get instant torque, instant response, and pulling strength the second you touch the throttle. That's exactly what truck buyers want, especially when towing. Ford is also using next-level fuel delivery. Direct injection technology allows fuel to be sprayed with extreme precision inside the combustion chamber. And when you control fuel that accurately, you get two huge benefits: more horsepower and cleaner, more efficient combustion. That's how you make crazy power without guzzling fuel like the old-school V8 days. Now add lightweight materials into the mix. Ford has been moving toward stronger aluminum alloys and redesigned components that reduce weight while keeping durability high. Less weight on the front end means better handling, better balance, and better performance under load. But power like this creates heat, a lot of heat. So one of the biggest upgrades expected in this EcoBoost package is smart thermal management. Adaptive cooling systems that can adjust in real time depending on towing stress, outside temperature, and engine demand. Basically, Ford wants this engine to survive real truck use, not just a dyno run, not just a headline number. And here's another detail that matters long-term. This engine is built with future hybrid integration in mind. Even though it's gas-powered right now, Ford is designing the platform so it can eventually pair with electric assist for even more torque and efficiency. That tells you something important. Ford isn't building this as a one-time flex. They're building it as the next chapter of the F-150 powertrain future. And when industry experts saw what Ford was hinting at, the reaction was immediate. Because this isn't just about being fast. It's about proving internal combustion still has a place in trucks, even as EVs take over the conversation. So let me ask you, if Ford really offers an EcoBoost truck with supercar-level horsepower, does that make gas trucks more exciting again? Or are you already looking toward full electric? Drop your answer below. Now here's where this gets real. Because horsepower headlines are fun, but truck buyers care about one thing more than anything. What can it do under load? And if this 2026 F-150 EcoBoost really delivers around 700 pound-feet of torque, this isn't just a fast truck. This is a towing monster. Torque is what matters when you've got a trailer behind you. Torque is what pulls hard up mountain grades. Torque is what keeps the truck from feeling strained when you're hauling serious weight. And with numbers like this, Ford could be pushing the F-150 into territory that normally belongs to heavy-duty trucks. Early estimates suggest towing capacity could climb well beyond 15,000 pounds. That's insane for a half-ton pickup. That's the kind of capability that forces every competitor to respond. Because right now the gas truck market is shifting fast. Ram's TRX was the horsepower king for a moment, but that supercharged V8 is being phased out. Emissions rules are tightening. Big V8s are disappearing. Chevy's strongest Silverado gas engine sits far below these rumored EcoBoost numbers. Toyota's twin-turbo Tundra is solid, but it's not playing in the 800 horsepower league. So if Ford actually drops this engine into the 2026 lineup, they instantly become the top dog of gasoline performance trucks. And here's the difference. This isn't just about speed. Ford is trying to offer insane power while keeping the truck usable every day, because modern truck buyers don't want a vehicle that only works on weekends. They want something that can tow, haul, commute, road trip, and still feel smooth. Ford's goal with EcoBoost has always been balance. Big power, smaller displacement, better efficiency, and now possibly the most extreme version of that formula ever. And while EV trucks have instant torque, they still face one major problem. Range drops hard when towing heavy. That's why a high-output EcoBoost still makes sense for a lot of Americans. If you're hauling a boat across multiple states or pulling a camper through the Rockies, charging infrastructure isn't always convenient. Gas power is still proven, and Ford knows millions of buyers aren't ready to give that up yet. So this EcoBoost could be the perfect middle ground. Modern technology, massive strength, and none of the towing range anxiety EV owners still deal with. So let me ask you, would you rather have an 800 horsepower EcoBoost truck that can tow all day? Or do you think electric is already the future no matter what? Comment your pick. So when you step back and look at the big picture, this rumored 800 horsepower EcoBoost isn't just another engine upgrade. It's a message. Ford is telling the truck world loud and clear. The gas-powered pickup isn't dead yet, and the F-150 is still the king of the mountain. Because right now, the truck industry is at a crossroads. Electric trucks are gaining attention. Hybrids are growing fast. Regulations are getting tighter every year. And a lot of people assumed the golden era of powerful combustion trucks was coming to an end. But Ford's response seems to be, not so fast. Instead of retreating, Ford might be pushing EcoBoost further than anyone thought possible. Supercar horsepower, massive towing torque, and modern efficiency tech all packed into America's best-selling truck. That's a big deal. And it also keeps Ford in a unique position. Because Ford isn't betting everything on one path. They have the F-150 Lightning for EV buyers. They have hybrid options for fuel-conscious customers. And now, they may be preparing the most extreme EcoBoost-powered F-150 ever for the people who still want pure gas performance. That two-pronged strategy is smart. It covers both worlds, the future and the tradition. And for truck enthusiasts, this is honestly exciting. It means the internal combustion engine still has innovation left. It means the turbo era isn't about compromise anymore. It's about domination. And if this EcoBoost monster becomes real, it could force Ram, GM, and Toyota to completely rethink what performance looks like in the half-ton market. Because once you drop an 800 horsepower F-150 into the lineup, the game changes overnight. Now the only question is this the future of the pickup? A new generation of turbocharged monsters with insane power but smarter engineering? Or is this Ford's last great combustion flex before everything goes electric? Either way, the 2026 F-150 is shaping up to be one of the most talked about trucks of the decade. So I want to hear from you. Would you take Ford's most powerful EcoBoost engine ever? Or would you still choose an electric truck like the Lightning or Cybertruck? Drop your answer in the comments. And if you want more updates on the wildest new engines, truck news, and real pickup industry truths, make sure you follow Nextgen Wheels. Because here it's not hype, it's real truck truth.